Quora is a popular question and answer platform where every month more than 300 plus million visitors visit this platform to get answer on their questions topic. So what if you can get even the 1% of that traffic for your business or your online website? So think how much the value you are going to get, or the sales or the traffic you are going to get. So in my experience, growing on Quora by manually is the tedious and the hard work. You can even see I have previously active on the Quora, but after doing a lot of answering manually, I haven't got that much of growth. Although there are this some fraction of the traffic I am getting from this platform, but still there is a lot of the things I can get on the Quora. So what if there's a tool that can help me to get the conquer Quora or growing my business on the Quora platform with the automation? So in this video I'm going to give you the detailed information and the detailed review on a platform that name is the Pop, and it's a Quora growing or the marketing platform that helps you to find out all the popular questions for your topic, help you to answer them in a way that you can get the attention of the answer seeking audience to your blog or the online business. Means you are going to get the divert the traffic from the Quora to your business or the website, and thus you are going to grow your business or the online website. So this tool is currently available on the AppSumo starting from the just $39, and this is the amazing tool. Let me give you the demo of this tool first, then I will talk about later. So this is the platform. Here you can not only find out all the popular questions, but you can also create the answer and store them here, and after that publish on the Quora. And after that what you can do, you can just add the links in your Quora answer like this. This is the Quora answer I have provided, and between this content I have added a link to my blog or the website. So that's how you can just redirect the traffic from Quora to your website. So all these things you can do in this platform. See, discovery, tracking, content draft. Yes, you can even track the your keywords for the Quora. This is the really amazing platform. And one more thing that I am really eager to say, that you can just find out all the best performing questions and the answer in Quora just adding the keyword. For example, I have added the keywords for my niche like the AppSumo, SaaS or SEO, and here if I give you the this view of this dashboard, here you can see it has the questions available around 300 to 450 views. Then it has the answers view for this keyword around 20k to 30k. Same goes for the SEO keyword. And if I scroll down below, it is showing me all the popular questions and how much the answers or the keywords, visitors, all this information available here. So based on that I can just simply click in here, and after that I can just go to that question and start writing my content here. So that's the amazing thing about this platform. And I previously said it only shows the all the popular questions from the Quora. So how it determines that this question is worth writing the content or not? First of all, it shows it with this Quora pop-up score. Here we use a unique formula to complete the question score. Tells you what is the best question to answer to get the referral traffic from the Quora are. So this is the their formula to get to and show you all the popular questions. And if I click here of this question, you can see it has more than the following of 900 plus. So what if you create a question that can fulfill this 900 audience intent and get you the very helpful visitors to your blog? So that's how this platform is work here. So let me get back to its lifetime deal, and after that I will give you the detailed features demo and the tutorial how you can use QA Pop for your platform and grow your audience or the business. So if I scroll down below, it has the few things that you must know as the feature. First of all, it's going to help you to discover best question, and after that what you can do, you can write the perfect answer with just couple of minutes with this chat GPT integration that they have within this platform. Then what you can do, you can even track the non-answered questions with the hundreds of views, and after that in the spare time you can answer time and get the advantage to traffic from there. So this is the main features, and they have also mentioned the steps what you have to do to get started on the Quora. So as for the Quora marketing, I think there is no better tool compared to the QA Pop. You can find out even on the one-time payment of the $39. So let me show you the plans of features here. So These are the 3 tier plans you can get started with. So in the tier 1 plan, this is the $39 plan. You get to answer or find out the 1000 questions per month, 30 AI power content draft or the content creation you can do. You can track 5 keywords daily, and this is the one user workspace seat. In the essential on the professional plans, these things is increased. Like here you can just track the unlimited questions, 100 AI words, 100 AI answers. You can track 20 keywords daily and 2 seats. And in the professional plan, you get the more limits here. And best of thing, you are going to get the training of 1 hour from the QA Pop founders that can help you to start it instantly and with better things. So this is the lifetime deal. If you want to check out, you can find the link in the description of this video. Now let me go to this platform and how you can get started. So once you bought its lifetime deal, this is the code. You have to go to this link here. So I have already redeemed this code, so you cannot just waste your time to copy and paste it on there. So make sure you just buy this deal, and after that you have to go this link here and paste your coupon code here, and after that your QA Pop platform will be active. And now after that, what it will ask you to add the 3 keywords for your niche, say, so it can start fetching the questions for you. So this is the dashboard you are going to get, and here in the dashboard it first tell you your keywords breakdown, how many the views these keywords getting, and after that you can do just click on create a full marketing report, and it will give you the detailed information. And if you scroll down below here, it will show you all the top 10 questions for your keyword, and all you have to just go to this question, start creating the answers for them. Here you can check the overall the views for this question, how many followers this question got, or what keyword related this question is. And this is the QA Pop score, means this is their secret formula to find out with popular questions to get the started and find out the audience where you can start creating or answering the question here. So okay, then we have the query section, and in the query section you can just do the research for any topic. For example, let me do a research for the AppSumo. So I have just entered the topic keyword here, and after that I will click here, and now it is showing me all the popular and the high rated questions where I can just start or use its AI to generate the answer. For example, this question has the 160 views per month. This is the monthly views information available, and all I have to just answer this question, just click on here, generate an answer, and after that its ChatGPT integration is automatically going to create a content that I can use as a answer. And you can see it is analyzing all these answers and the question, and based on this analyzing, it is going to generate the content here. So you can see within the I think 30 seconds my answer is generated, and you can see how beautiful layout it is generated here. And I think I need to do some of the tweaks here. For example, this is the pro that after this sentence, so I have to make it and add some space. Same thing goes for this cons. Okay, and once this is done, what I can do, I can even add some of the images and videos, and just after that I can click on this save button, and after that all I have to just copy this draft, go to this question here, I can just click here this arrow button, and after that I have to just paste my answer. See, with the automation and minimal efforts, I think within the 1 minute I have created a very insightful and the good answer here. And now what I have to do, I have to just add few links of my blog or the article where I want to redact and give my audience more detailed information. See, that's how easily you can use this platform to find the popular and the high rated or high views getting questions and provide answers and redirect that traffic to your blog or the website. Then we have the reports. So basically reports are the section where you can see how many views your answers or your topics you have added you are getting. So that thing is really easy, and here's you have to add the report name, define keywords with the comma separated. Okay, and after that which language you are in, the primary range, age of the questions. Okay, you can set them daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, all these things you can do. Number of the questions per keyword, so I think the 20 keywords or the 10 keywords is enough. And after that what you can do, you can enable the exact match or not. If you enable the exact match, it is going to appear all the questions that is exactly relevant to your topic, not the non-relevant topic. Okay, then we have the tracking, and like this function is suggesting here you can just track the questions that is unanswered. For example, these are the keywords that is automatically get here, and after that if I click on this save setting, it is going to give me the all the question that is still unanswered, and on the priority I have to answer. Then we have the content draft, and here you can basically check out all the answers or the content you have created using an AI. Okay, so these are all the features, and I think these features is just enough for you to get started in the Quora. And with this platform you are have to no do any tedious or the hard work or the manual work. This tool is just going to find out all the popular questions, going to create the answers for them. All you have to just paste them and go to Quora platform, add your links, and that's how you can start and grow on the Quora. So QAPOF definitely a Swiss knife growth machine that you can use, and in this one-time payment of $39, it is the damn affordable compared to its monthly subscription plans. Let me compare them with its monthly subscription plans so you can get to know how much the value you are getting here on this lifetime deal. So if I go to this upgrade now, this is the free trial I am using on the different account, so that I can show you what is the comparison between its monthly plan or the lifetime deal. So its monthly starter plan that we have bought in the lifetime deal, $39, is actually the $19 per month. You have to pay the per month here, and you can assume within the I think around 2 months pricing you are getting the lifetime deal, and you don't have to ever pay again. Same goes for the its essential or the professional plan. So if you want to check out its lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description. And that's all for today's video. If you really like this video or find it informational around the QAPOF review, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more amazing SaaS deal reviews, comparisons and updates. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.